Hello everyone, I'm jdflutes. These are my new 2020 flute blank designs. These are my round flute blanks with no finger holes. These are the flute blanks for you customers or you flute makers who would like to drill your own finger holes and tune your own flute. All of the hard work has already been done as far as producing the sound, the main key of the flute. Everything in here is already done perfectly for you. The sound holes and the groove up under the fetish, the block, all of that stuff has already been done perfectly for you. These flute blanks here, they don't have any airy sounds. They are perfectly clear. They have a really clear voice, folks. So the hard work has been done. But like I said, this is for the customers who would like to drill their own finger holes. So these will be my round flute blanks with no finger holes. Now, I will, on these flute blanks here, I will take and mark the finger holes for you. If you can see it, I've already marked these finger holes here for you. That way you won't have any troubles trying to figure out where the finger holes goes. But what I would recommend for you to do is start off with a very small bit and then go large when you're tuning it. But I'm going to let you hear what both of these sounds like. This one here is the shortest one is a bass E tuned to 528 hertz, the frequency of love. And the longest one is a bass D tuned to 528 hertz, the frequency of love. Now, all of these flute blanks like this, the round flute blanks, will look the same. I make the flute blanks like this in all the keys. The 7/8 of an inch bores, the 1 inch bores, the 1 1/8 inch bores, and also the large bores, which is 1 inch and a quarter bores. So I also make them, this demonstration will be the same for those also. They will look and play just like these. They will all have very easy breath. They will all have crystal clear voices. You won't have any troubles trying to get your voices, your flutes to sound in the main key. All you have to do is drill your finger holes. You know, this, like I said, this is for the customers who want to do a little bit of extra work. Drill your finger holes and also, of course, shape the back end of your flute and make you a block, cut out you a design for your block. You might want to cut out some type of a bird, or you just might want to have a plain flat block or something like that, but it already plays for you, and I'm going to demonstrate that to you. Okay, I'm going to start off with the E. The bass E first. As you can tell, there were no airy sounds in this flute, so I have it perfect for you, you ladies and you guys. Now, here's the voice of the bass D tuned to 528 hertz. didn't hear any airy sounds in this one also. See, I work hard on these flutes, folks, to where they will be, when you get finished with them, they will be just as clear as possible. Like I said, with these flute blanks, all you will have to do is drill your finger holes. Like I said, just like this bass D here, I already have the finger holes marked for you. And I will do that with all of the flute blanks that's round with no finger holes. And I do all of the different hertz. I do I do the 528 hertz, of course, the 440 hertz, and also 432 hertz. So when you order your flute blank, just let me know what hertz you would like. And remember, I also do the 7/8 of an inch bores, the 1-inch bores, the 1 1/8 inch bores, and also the large bores, which is 1 1/4 bore. So just let me know. I'll send you a list of all of the flute blanks, and right now everything is on sale. And but like I said, this is my round flute blanks that's already tuned with no finger holes, for you who would like to do a little bit more work to your flutes. Now remember, I do the ones with the finger holes also, and you'll be able to find those videos as well. But this is the purpose of these flute blanks here, folks. Instead of you having to cut two halves and glue them together, which will take a lot more work, and then you got to try to produce your sound, you don't have to do any of that stuff. All of these flute blanks are one-piece flutes. They have been bored perfectly with a gun drill machine. You won't have to do any gluing. Everything is already done. When you get your flute blank, it'll come just like this. I have your block taped up, and you can try it out just as soon as you get it right out of the box. But now don't play with it too much. I have oiled up on the bottom of your block, but I haven't oiled your flute. So you don't want moisture damaging your flute. So just blow in it just a little bit to see what the quality of the flute is, and take your block off and start working on your flute. But really, you can tune it. You can go ahead and tune this one if you want to. With the block already taped up, you can go ahead and tune it, or you can go ahead and make your block ever how you want to do it. It's your choice, because that's the way I tune them anyways. I'll take and make me a block, a bird, whatever, and I always oil the bottom of the fetish, but I don't oil the top of the flute, so it's always fine after I tune it. So you can do the same if you want to. But just be really careful with them. Don't put a lot of moisture up in here. You know, constantly blow it out if you have to. I don't know how you guys are. I don't really have moisture in my flutes when I tune them. You know, which I've been doing it for many years. So you beginners, no, just be careful, because your flute right now, your flute blank is perfect. Thank you so much, and if you would like to have one, just simply give me an email to jdflutes@yahoo.com, or simply give me a phone call to 910-843-1738. Thank you so much for everything.